The innovative Gorilla Post system offers several accessories to attach signs to our 2 1/3 inch diameter post tubes. The GPPA post adapter creates a flat and stable zone to mount a 12 by 18 inch sign. The GP2PA post adapter is also a very economical solution. The GPSA sign adapter places the sign at the top of the post for increased visibility and is suitable for double-sided signs and ADA compliant signs. Installing GPA and GP2PA post adapters. We are showing the installation of the GPPA, but both adapters are installed in similar fashions. Get the 2 front mounting adapters and your sign. Remove the center nut from each adapter with a 1/2 inch socket. Loosen the side 2 nuts on each GPPA bracket or the single back nut on the GP2PA, but only enough to allow the adapter brackets to slide onto the post tube. Slide one of the adapters over the top of the post tube. Hold the lower adapter in place and set the sign to the side. Use the 1/2 inch socket to tighten the adapter onto the tube. You can also make a mark on the tube if you prefer. Check the adapter to make sure it's snugly attached to the post tube. It should not twist or slip. Again, make sure the nut has been removed from the center bolt of the adapter. Position the sign so the lower hole aligns with the adapter's center bolt. Slide the bottom hole onto the center bolt and finger tighten the nut on the adapter. Do not snug the bolt. Hold the sign with one hand so the top is at the desired height on the tube. Position the first adapter so the center bolt lines up with the bottom hole on the sign. Carefully pivot the sign so it's hanging upside down. Now, using the second sign bracket, slide it onto the post tube. Lift the sign and align the top center bolt with the top hole in the sign. If you have additional posts, you can speed up the process by using this completed post to mark the adapter bracket positions on the remaining post tubes. Your completed Gorilla Post with your attached sign and GPSA adapter is now ready to use. Installing GPSA sign adapters for single or double-sided signs. This adapter style enables the highest placement of a sign on the Gorilla Post 2 1/3 inch magnetic delineator post tubes. Use the included 1/8 inch hex Allen wrench to loosen the 4 set screws located on the circular perimeter until the screws are no longer protruding inside the adapter. Place the adapter onto the top of the post tube. Use the Allen wrench to firmly tighten each of those 4 set screws. Loosen the 2 set screws on the top channel until the screws are no longer extending inside the channel. Place the bottom edge of the sign into the channel. Center it horizontally, then firmly tighten using the Allen wrench. Your completed Gorilla Post with your attached sign and GPSA adapter is now ready to use. ADA compliant reminder. The GPPA or GP2PA is not recommended for ADA handicap sign placement requirements. The GPSA sign adapter on our 48 inch Gorilla Post system achieves the 48 inch minimum baseline height for the ADA handicap sign placement requirements, and our Stay Right Post system provides an even higher sign placement for maximum ADA visibility. Thank you for watching the magnetic Gorilla Post system video for mounting signs to the 2 1/3 inch delineator posts. If you have any questions, please contact us at gorillapost.com, parkingzone.com, or call us at 1-800-292-7275, extension 211. We are available from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, Monday through Friday. Gorilla Post and ParkingZone are divisions of Pacific Cascade Corporation.
I need a new agent.